Hey up everyone, I thought I'd show you my take on lockpicking Paul's hidden ring shim that I made with one of these stainless steel cable tie. I'm not going to show you how I made mine because I'd rather you just go and watch his video on his channel, which if I remember I'll link in the description. But essentially I just made a ring out of one of these cable ties as a shim. That was a really good idea, really good idea. So I copied it, but I did alter it a bit for my personal preference. And what I did was realise that the shim's all well and good. Get it in. Yeah. Like so, for instance. That took a while. But what if it's double locked? So let's try and simulate that, shall we? Yeah. Double lock on. My modification I did was created a little key on the end of it. So if you need to, you could get in to the keyhole and just pop the double lock off, like so. And you can also use it straighten out a bit as the key. So, like I said, go watch Lockpicking Paul's video on how he made it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.